Alright, welcome back to my channel. I remain myself, Johnsonkeyz. Okay, so let me just quickly show you these dope chords, right? So in the key of, I'll be in the key of C. So you can just do something like, maybe they're singing a song, you are welcoming in the name of the Lord. So that's like, you are welcoming, you are welcoming the Lord. So that's like 3, 6, 2, 5, 4, something like that. So you can just play this song. You are welcome. You are welcoming God. Alright, so that's left hand D, A, E, right hand F, C, E, G. First chord, second chord, left hand C, G and B flat, right hand F, B flat, D and F. So then the third chord, left hand B, F sharp and A, right F, A, C sharp and E. So we have then the last chord, left hand E and A flat, right hand F, B flat, D and F. Then to your 6. So that's A, E, C, G, B, D and G. So we have you have welcome. Then you start one more time. You have welcome. Then alright, don't forget to click the subscribe button. God bless you. Bye. Thank you.